Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming access and permissions because you need edit rights to move things. Once logged into SyncUp Tracker, open the exact project you will sync, set a baseline date, and assign a primary owner so responsibilities are clear. Next, create 1 to 3 initial tasks with due dates and priority tags. This gives structure. Make sure to name tasks clearly, use short phrases, and save after each entry. This prevents lost edits and prepares the board for the next phase. Now you map tasks to milestones and link dependencies so the tracker understands sequence. Use estimated effort in hours to balance workloads and batch edit to assign multiple items quickly. This saves time. Apply consistent labels and add attachments, documents, or screenshots to reduce questions later. Once done, enable notifications and connect Calendar or Slack to keep everyone updated. These steps ensure the tracker reflects reality, reduces double work, and helps you spot bottlenecks before they. To finish, review the project status and mark completed items, update % complete, and add concise notes so history is clear. Archive obsolete tasks to declutter, then export a snapshot for stakeholders so everyone has the same reference. If the sync fails, first check that permissions and API keys are valid. Next, reduce payload size by removing large attachments and retry after 60 seconds. If issues persist, reassign the primary owner briefly and run the sync again. This often forces a fresh reconciliation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.